live in a time of great change. Society seems more divided, uncertain, and unstable than ever before. But beneath the headlines and political battles, there are deeper forces at play. Forces that shape how we relate, how we work, how we live. This course invites you on a 46-week journey to explore the very nature of society and how we might transform it. You will gain insight into the roots of inequality, the design of economies, and the real meaning of justice, freedom, and renewal. It's not just about theory, but about how we live together and how we can do so with greater humanity. If you're ready to see society with a new eye, or new eyes, and take part in its healing, join me on this transformative journey. Enroll now. The journey begins today. Check my profile